Senior citizens, the transfer market window, second round is still open now. We call her way back. The latest person reportedly, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, is reported to hijack the move. No, a player, a friend, no, Diewisie Taylor currently, or a on attack, because on attack, and just or a free agent. Ya boy, remember penny for the commodiate any neighbor, and no, crown, I say no credit. But so far, so good. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are making contact with some players. You say all things being equal at the end of the transfer second round. We know let's say join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Pacho, I have a super 24 TV. Unsubscribe our drama with me. I hit the rest subscriber to no so no about the man so near build the house together. I'll bet follow a social media handle no so a Facebook super 24 TV, Instagram. Kumasi blogman na yedika subum Christmas mood na ni Christmas mood. Christmas, it comes at a very good time and we need to celebrate it as part of being good people who are living across the face of this world. Now into the stories answer na many stories the bro no my main message we as a light for our path because my good able seven me say the most important thing otumfo nyankopon asem no na otumfo nyankopon asem no na guide ye ama yaye de eye ewo wiase na ye lead it to the right way. Now today 20 and the date here 27th of December 2023. Let's take this message as a light for our path for today. There is difference between having fun and destroying your future. So be careful. Let's take it again. There is difference between having fun and destroying your future. So be careful. In this festive season, are you with me? When I am say I'm going to have fun in the name of having fun. In the name of having fun. Na odi akọ destroy future. Nyame no kra nim ni. Asema me kan e yare hosem. Sa festive season bronya bra wo mi a yesi Yesu Kristo owusorim debi owusore ne Easter Yesu Kristo awoda na ye nyina ye come together e de age ani ahona Jesus Christ no obi sa festive period wi ema obi bekwa akọ theater ade bi ma like suban boni bi mo bi be hye suban boni bi sa festive season sabre na obi a onnom nsa na odikosua nsa no sabre na obi a onnom wi odikosua wi no sabre na obi a sebi ema asem ne ade mema sem onye bi da sabre na okoye bi na abede abeka no ho na abeso ne kon na sa suban boni vices yi sa okase in the name of fun ukodi akira it is going to destroy your future. Senior citizens are more platform you are well versed experienced to know this, but no more sorry ban university for no SHS for no and away a comma mutitiri. There is difference between having fun and destroying your future. Adia bi a wonye bi da na gaza madam for say any enye kwa yankwa wozi wakoye na adia wonye bi da sa festive bronya bri wakoye bi na edensem bebre ababoza abeti akonekon otumfo nyankopon emeyenti ase yemfansi ho. And remember that any decision, any action you take is the product of what you will be in the future. Otumfo nyankopon meyenti ase. Now back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sa asema enenamui mame playing it down. There is a report say former Karela United, former Bibiani Goldstars, or the nani chere Egypt team bi wo your friend of Future FC. Ena osakobo loan e wo Sudan, El Marek. Diewisie Taylor asem na making currently or a free agent. Na in the past few days, Bibiani Goldstars for na epe Diewisie Taylor. Ena enra report ba say Kumasi Asante Kotoko are joining the race no. And I can confidently state as at and the Wednesday anopa me ka say Kumasi Asante Kotoko penny for say omo make contact bia with Diewisie Taylor. Diewisie Taylor in 2021 2022 thereabouts on an obobo 2021 obo in the Ghana Premier League and a high flying striker no samre na Kotoko peno enya fa wakone na muama ni koto dwem ayemre. Let's underscore this. Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach Ogumakase ope experienced striker. That's why I serve you in common. That's why I obete John Entry common so nemuno options. Now, Diewisie Taylor the end day. Enya no kre se Kumasi Asante Kotoko hijacking sa deal no. In the event say transfer window ni be close no on the 15th of January. In the event say Kotoko ensa anka safiu ena John Entry dia Kotoko betimi a go for the Diewisie Taylor, which he's currently unattached or a free agent, and the man the likelihood of only move to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no betimi possible. But asat and damn no kase no. Mene panyifoni bia kasa. And obechem is a blog man unia. No, a my team cry, but or you player or you footballer or you striker. So far as a coach, this will be here, experienced striker or bullying ni be done. Or ho. And Nuntina Minuanum be any link in a Makotokono. But as we speak now, it is Safiu, it is John Entry as the two options are likely say a Mubako ever joining. Utu Vonyankopon, a Mientias, ye dear woman. Transfer news, Nedie, Cicero. We Kumasi Asante Kotoko is huge. Into Ubia Soria, no afa player be no de na link. Coach Ogum say up a striker and up right back. Yes, right back and also the Emmanuel Corte. Also at Remino. Or no so nan komodie e say likely say obeba na wabe join. Utu Vonyankopon emayenti ase on this. Transfer stories, I'm very careful. I dare say I greet Mrs. And let's state that one on record. But your friend the blog man, maybe do see a child with me, or 2 for Yankopon, inshallah.